making money online is not difficult, but it's rather easy. So the question that you may ask yourself is, how are you going to make money online? How I make money online is through affiliate marketing and networking, as well as making investment online. So when you talk of making investment online, what does that mean? There are a lot of investment sites on internet that you can invest your money. So investment sites like the Park Miner, that now it is no more. We have those that you have to invest $12, $10 upwards, and daily you just cash out to your either Binance account or any crypto exchange wallet that you are using. Okay, and these are investment platforms. Some of the investment platforms, if you join, then probably latest by a month, then they are out of the system. But when you talk of the affiliate marketing and networking, when we say affiliate marketing, it is one of the paying online business of which if you join, you just earn cool cash. Some of the affiliate marketing include Amazon KDP, we have the Digistore24 and the rest. There are lots. Okay, with this affiliate marketing, what they do is that you will be a middleman for a buyer and at the same time a seller. Okay, so for instance, if you are an affiliate marketer on a particular website like Jumia affiliate program on Amazon KDP, as well as being affiliate marketer on Digistore24 or Digistem, what you have to do is that you sell product to your customers through a link. So anytime a customer buys a product through your link, there's a commission which is given to you as an affiliate earn. Okay, so this affiliate marketing program, it helps you to earn cool cash if and only if a customer buys a product through your link. And we have affiliate networking. With affiliate networking, there are lots of sites that emerges. Some of the sites include Elite Cash, Nation Republic, Finova Wallet, Spin Cash, and the rest. So all these sites, they are affiliate networking. I really like affiliate networking because anytime you become a member on any of these affiliate networking, what you have to do is that you just advertise your link to people to also join through your link. And anytime someone joins the platform through your link, there's a commission that you earn. Okay, and I really like this one because it helps you to generate or earn cool cash in the online space. Okay, in the online space. So with this one, affiliate networking is good. That's what I do. People call it to be a Ponzi scheme. Yes, they are Ponzi scheme, but yet they still pay. They still pay, and I really like that. So if and only if you want to make money online, simple. What you have to do is to be engaging yourself in affiliate marketing and networking, as well as doing online investment. Others to make money online through betting and forex and also crypto. But if you don't want to go by this method, you can just go by the affiliate marketing and that of the investment site that they emerges in the system. Okay, so this is what I do, and it is very simple and easy. It's not difficult. Okay, so if you really want to join my affiliate networking platform, you can just check through the video description. I've pasted the group link there. Just click on the link to join so that you also be part of this community, so as to help you get more people in your network space. That's what I do. Here's the talk tech. If you really like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, most importantly share it to your friends to also benefit. Here is the talk tech, that is the talk of the tech.